Welcome. If you're looking to clean up your Instagram likes or just want a fresh start, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to unlike your liked posts on Instagram using your PC, following the latest update. This method is quick, easy, and you don't need to download anything extra. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Instagram.com. Log in with your account details if you haven't already. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Find and click on the one labeled Menu. This will open up a list of features designed to help you manage your Instagram activity. Next, from the menu, click on Your Activity. This section is where Instagram keeps a record of everything you do on the platform, from searches to interactions. Scroll down until you see the Interactions section. Here, click on Likes. This will bring up a complete list of all the posts you've liked over time. Now it's time to select the posts you want to unlike. At the top right of the list, you'll see a Select button. Click on it, and you'll be able to choose as many posts as you want to remove from your liked list. Simply click on each post to select it. You can pick just a few or go through and select them all if you want a totally clean slate. Once you've made your selections, look for the Unlike button, usually at the bottom or top of the screen. Click on it, and Instagram will ask you to confirm your choice. Confirm, and just like that, those posts will be unliked. And that's it. You've just unliked your Instagram posts from your PC in a few simple steps. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.